Stop wasting your money on bait. I'm going to show you exactly how to catch hundreds of massive nightcrawlers for free. All you need is a container and a flashlight, but it has to be a red light. Worms can't see red, but they will bolt if you hit them with the white light. Now go to your backyard or a local park about an hour after sunset. Shine your light on the ground and look for a wet and shiny reflection. That's worm slime. Now crouch down. Be silent. Once you spot them, you have to strike like a cobra. But if you're too slow, they're gone. Do that 20 times and boom, free bait for life. Be sure to hit that follow button for more fishing hacks, and happy hunting.